Welcome to our Rdau app.
We have made an app called Rdau. When you open our app, first you will see the home screen, library, workshop, Q&A, and product. On the home screen, you will see two buttons. One is about us and one is about joining us. If you want to know about us, please click on button about us. The information about us, but if you want to join in our app, please click on join us. After clicking on, if you need to sign in into our app. In the library, it has content. When you click on each content, we show an article or video that you can read or watch. In upcoming workshop, if you want to join, it just click it and it will show you about the description, speaker, agenda, date and time, and venue. If you want to join or ask a question, you can click on register and ask question. If you move to Q&A screen, you can put the question and submit. In the product screen, you can buy some product by clicking on the product, then it will show you the price. When you click on contact us, you can communicate or order on Telegram. If you want to ask question, you can click on the Q&A and you can ask and submit. We also reply back to you directly.
Build Rdau app by using Thinkable. We have used event, condition, function, and database to build this app in Thinkable. Event is used to show the user about a different type of feature in each screen on the Rdau app. And condition is used for setting a condition in our app for the user to use and make the information display on screen based on the function that user click. Function is used to connect with Firebase and for using in sign in and sign out into our app. We use database to connect with Google Sheet to store and retrieve the information in Google Sheet.
Testing it, we received some feedback to make our app more easily to use, and they recommend us to add more features on the app and make interface user-friendly, and some functions are still in development. To give a good experience in technology to our user, we have a plan to create more features about donating to make it easier to donate money or want to support our project to be better, especially to find a donor who can help us and supporting in our app to help the girl know more about menstruation by using Rdau app.